inside Usher's $3.40 million Los Angeles dream home. Welcome to Usher's $3.4 million Los Angeles residence, where luxury and elegance meet celebrity charm. This iconic R&B superstar has crafted a stunning retreat filled with sleek design, modern vibes, and a serene ambience. Ready to explore? Let's unlock the doors to Usher's exclusive home. Every detail in this home is a masterpiece of design. The open-plan interiors are bathed in natural light, highlighting refined finishes and contemporary touches. From high ceilings to flawless wood flooring, Usher's home exudes sophistication that blends effortlessly with the scenic beauty of L.A., iconic hills. Step into Usher's state-of-the-art kitchen, a culinary haven featuring premium appliances and a sleek marble island that invites creativity and entertaining. Whether cooking for guests or enjoying a quiet morning, this space blurs the line between functionality and style flawlessly. The primary suite is pure tranquility, a personal retreat with expansive views, a plush bedroom, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom. Imagine unwinding in a freestanding tub with city lights as your backdrop. This sanctuary showcases the sumptuous lifestyle Usher knows and lives. California living meets unparalleled luxury in Usher's backyard retreat. A sparkling pool, cozy lounging areas, and lush landscaping bring relaxation outdoors. It's the perfect setting for hosting intimate gatherings or soaking up the dreamy LA sunshine in true star fashion. Usher's home is more than a property. It's a testament to the life of success, style, and refined taste. Every corner tells a story of sophistication and comfort, leaving us in awe of the balance between celebrity grandeur and personal serenity. Inspired by Usher's lavish haven? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to dive deeper into the world of luxury lifestyles and celebrity homes. Discover how the stars live and gain ideas to bring a touch of their glamour into your own life. Let's dream big together.